Hello, welcome to next video about Jobrela, a shortcut to IT specialists. Here you can find available IT candidates who are looking for work. And today I will show you how to find some really specific IT profession. So all you have to do is to visit jobrela.com and click on IT specialist menu. On this page you can find all available candidates. There is 4,300 of them, and more are coming every day. Okay, so let's say that my company is looking for some DevOps engineer who has knowledge with some cloud technologies, because we want to migrate our old application, let's say. Okay, so my company is international, so we need him to speak English. Yeah, I'm putting English to language. But since we are located in Czech, we also need Czech language. And if I need that both languages are required, then I will click checkbox. Now I have 3,500 results. And let's say that now I'm interested only in those candidates who can work 8 hours a day, just 100% allocation. Yeah, no part-time workers. Okay, so now let's say that my office is located in Prague, so I'm putting Prague District 8, and it is good if you provide the specific district, because there are some people who want to work only in specific locations or only in specific districts. For example, there are people who say, I want to work only in Prague, but only in yellow metro stations. Yeah, so the better you provide these criteria, the better results you get. The second office I have is in Brno, so I'm putting Brno. Okay. Now I have 2,300 results, which is too much, but I haven't added any skills yet. So let's say that from our DevOps engineer we need that he will know Kubernetes, because we want to scale our application automatically. We need that he will Dockerize the app, so I will put Docker. And let's say that our infrastructure works on AWS. Yeah, so AWS, and we have now 793 results. And let's say that if we need all these three skill sets at once, we need to check all skill sets required. And when I do it, you can see that the final result is from 700 to 94. Yeah, so that's quite important to notice. Okay, so let's say that our application works on Java, so I'm putting Java programming language, and my result is 58 people. Okay, perfect. I can go through this profile. I can check their cards. I can see, okay, this is some candidate. I can see his price. And when I open the card, I can check, okay, this is some guy, the localities are matched, the skill sets are matched, and there is some interview summary we made and anonymous work experience. Okay, so I can check the candidates, I can check the prices, and let's say that my budget is 10,000 Czech crowns for freelancing. So I want only freelancers, so I'm putting ICA, which is independent contract agreement, and my budget is 10,000, but I'm putting the Czech currency because we are working in Czech Republic, and I have 42 matched professionals. Okay, so I can check them again, and if I like the candidate based on the description, I can add him to basket, and I can either hire him or employ him. This is what we described in the previous video. So let's say I'm going to hire him, and maybe I'm also interested in some other guy. I will add him to cart, and I can check my order summary, and if I'm happy with the selection, I can click continue, where I will provide my information and I will write something about the project, yeah, for this candidate. Well, that's all.